दोस्तों, आपको अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे को दबाएं, ऑल प्रेस करें हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to another new fresh video. In today's video we will be talk whether you also face such a problem in Rainbow Six Siege. When you open such error appears server connection error Rainbow Six Siege error code. If you are facing the same type of problem unreachable server connection problem, in today's video we will be talk what is this problem and how to fix it. So friends, many users are facing the same type of problem. You can check the down detector. Many users are currently reporting the same problem, the same type of problem, and you can check server connection problem and game launching problem. So you just follow some steps, simply solve this problem. First, you check your internet and Wi-Fi connection. Is the issue is network related. After back, if any update is coming, then go to the App Store and simply search the application and simply update it if any update is coming. After back, make sure all required app permissions are enabled, including internet storage. If you are using a VPN, simply disable. If the problem is still is not fixed, the application server may be a down or under maintenance. In that case, wait for some time. This problem will be fixed automatically. I hope you liked our video, so don't forget like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so let's you are getting latest